So hello guys, in today's video we are going to discuss about the TCL command and what is TCL command, then we will go further to write its query. Okay, so first of all let's discuss about what is TCL command. So basically TCL command is a transaction control language that are the command basically used to manage transaction in a database. A transaction is a group of one or more than one SQL statements executed as a single logical unit of work. Okay, so basically TCL ensures your consistency, integrity, recovery, all things that makes your data consistent, and it basically controls your task or changes well done or not. Okay, so basically for this TCL commands in MySQL, first is a start transaction or a begin. So basically this is a syntax and this is a fix. We directly write this when we want to start any kind of transactions. For that what we do, just go to a MySQL Workbench. Here what we do, here first of all we create database. For example, we have given database name mm, bank. Okay, control enter, and then after creating bank we have given create table account. Inside account id int primary key, and before that we know after creating database what we have to do, we have to enter that database. For that what we use bank id int primary key name varchar 100 amount int. Okay, so control then click. Yeah, so we have created one table, then after what we do, we will basically insert some data inside it. So inside into account values, one Rakesh, amount is 1000. Insert into account, we can use in one query as well, to Suresh 20,000 2000. Okay, then control enter, then select star from account. We will see how much data is present. Okay, so now after this start transaction, we basically use start transaction. We want to change, we want to transact some money from the Suresh account. I want only 1000 deduct from the Suresh account. So before that what we do, we just basically start transaction, and we can also use begin keywords, it's up to you. And then after commit is a keyword that basically save all changes. So before that we will basically understand rollback is when we create some transaction, then if we want to change the and restore the previous state, so we use rollback. So first of all, okay, so just to go here what we do, we will just deduct 1000 from the Suresh values. So inside is update account set values equal set amount equal amount minus 1000, where id equal to, then control enter. Yeah, here you can see, and after that we will see the output. Mm, yeah, here you can see that we have deducted 1000 from Suresh account. Before that it was 2000, now it is 1000. But now I feel that after some time we feel that I have done so wrong transaction. Here I don't want to deduct amount from the Suresh, I just want to deduct money from the Rakesh account. So what I do, basically for that we use rollback, so it will give us the previous transaction rollback. After that what it will do, when we click here select star, and here we can see that Suresh amount has become previous account, in previous state that was the 2000, and now it is become 2000. Okay, And after that, for example, now I understand that I have want to change -1 in ID1 in Rakesh account. So control then click, yeah, we have done. We feel that we have done the right transaction. So what we do, we just print commit, and yeah. And after that, if we done rollback, it will not impact. Before that, let's see. Control click that Rakesh has zero amount. Now I feel that I should roll back. So control then click, and after that, if we see controller, yeah, here you can see it has not rolled back. It is because commit basically defines that your transaction has done and data has or changes has permanently saved in the database. But when it comes to rollback, if we have not done commit, so we can use commit a rollback to find get the previous state. Okay. And there is for example, in our transaction there is many changes. So for managing all the changes or rollback, there is some save point. So save point creates a point within a transaction to which you can roll back later. It's a save point. For example, just okay, insert it again. First of all, we will delete all data from account, and here we will use select, sorry, insert into account, and yeah, value is 1, ID is 1, and Radul, and 3000. What is the error? Insert it. Okay, sorry, values. And after that, what we do? We will basically here to Krunal, and 4000, and then control click, and when we see our data, select star from account, there is only two data. For example, now I want to create another transaction, and in this transaction what we do, basically in this transaction we will basically deduct 1000 from the Mradul in two times, and 1000 from Krunal in first time, and for that we will create different save point. Okay, so for example, for that what we do is start transaction, control enter, and then after what I will write here, update account set amount equal amount minus 1000, where name equal Mradul. Okay, then control enter. Here you can see that it has done our query, and here we have given save point first, then control enter. We have saved our first point. Then in again transaction, I have told that again I will update the account and deduct 1000 again from the Mradul account, where not equal Mradul. Control enter. Yeah, again we have done some query, and then again we have saved save point. Okay, for this, first of all, rollback, I will update rollback, and select star from account. Yeah, here you can see that inside the middle there is 1000 transaction already done. So we will delete this. We have saved our first save points, and okay, our first save point has saved. Now what I do, I will update account set amount equal amount minus 500. Here we want to change only 500. It is because to discriminate the changes, because when we roll back to the save point, then we should easily understand if we done 1000 in each transaction, how can we know? Okay, so save point second. So for that what I do, just control enter, and control enter. Save point has done and update has done. Here we can see that as well. Account. Yeah, here you can see that it has deducted 500. And now in third save point, what I will do, I will update account set amount equal amount minus, for example, 3000. We want to change 3000 from Pranal account. Okay, where name equal Pranal. Control enter, and we have said save point third. Yeah, so we have done three save point. First is in the first save point, what we have done, we have basically deduct 1000 from Radul salary, and in transaction second, we have deduct 500 from Radul account, and in third transaction, we have deduct 3000 from Pranal account, and we have saved three save points as well. So first of all, when we done roll back to save point first, okay, so what it will do, it will do sorry, here we will come second, then we will understand. Okay, second, so here what it will do, when we'll control enter or run this query, so it will go and check where is second. So before this query all changes will save, but after this query no, all changes will roll back. Okay, roll back. So what I will control then enter. Save point second does not exist. It is why we have not saved second point. Save point second we have saved. Why it is not rollback? Okay. So first of all, what I will do, I will again follow this. Before that, before transaction, I will do delete from account. Okay, and again I will save these data in account, and after that what I will do, I will change commit. Okay, all things are done. Now we have started our save point again. Okay, so for that first we start the transaction, then we have done 1000 reduction from the Mradul account, and before that we have saved save point. So for example, we have done commit. Okay, now again I have started, so we can easily understand it. Okay, so enter start transaction, control enter, we have started, then we have first control enter, first transaction we have done, then we have saved save point 1, then again we have deduct 500 from Radul account, control enter, then we have saved save point second, and after that we have deduct 3000 from Pranal account, and we have saved save point third. Now when we roll back in the second save point, then what it will do, it will not change before this query. After this query, how much all transaction will roll back. For example, before we can see, okay, so there is 1500 in Mradul account and 1000 in Kunal account after three transactions. When I will change it, control enter, then what it will do, let's see, to account. Yeah, here you can see that Kunal transaction has rollback. Rollback means 3000 again added, or you can say it has come in their previous state. It not add, basically it directly come to the previous state. Okay, and it has not roll back to the save point one or second. It is because it basically see before the save point it will not make any changes. It will just roll back all the upcoming whatever we have done. Okay, so this is the save point, and if we done is from here first, so it will again roll back the second transaction. Agar second transaction, here you can see that after it will deduct only 1000. It is because in second two we have deduct 500, so it has rolled back to the previous state, that is 2000. Now what we do, we will just basically commit, and this transaction has totally commit. Now we can't roll back. Okay, before rollback, let's see the output. Control enter. Here you can see that when we roll back for the first transaction, that it will add 1000 in middle account, but it will not do this. And again we will see select from account. Here you can see it has not deducted. So the main use of SavePoint is to manage multiple transactions. If we want to recover any data, so we can easily recover through SavePoint. And after this, there is rollback to SavePoint that we have done. This is a syntax that we have done here. Yeah, that we have done this. And then after release SavePoint, if we want to delete any SavePoint, we can use this. It is homework for you. Set transaction. Basically, in the transaction, there is mainly three. Oh, sorry, three, not a four. It's a read committed, repeatable read, and serializable. So these are the ISO levels inside the transaction. So basically, read uncommitted. When we set transaction, we can only choose one isolation level. So if we read uncommitted, so it will read all uncommitted data that we have not committed, and it will create a a bad scenario that whatever we have not committed, and in future we have rollback, but we have read it and we have done any other transaction, so it will create a big issue. And after this read committed, if we read only a committed data, and after that there is some other changes has done, so we will also make find some error. And then after repeatable read, and when we read some data, and after some time again we have read, and before and during these do to read, someone has added some extra data, so we will find some difference from one read to another read. Serializable will manage all the read committed and repeatable. It will totally remove the repeatable read error and read uncommitted error. Okay, thank you.